Welcome to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets reality. Today, we're diving into a camera that's already making photographers and enthusiasts buzz with excitement, the Sony RX1R III. If you thought the RX1R II was the perfect compact full-frame camera, think again. Sony is back in 2025 with a model that pushes boundaries in portability, power, and pure image performance. Stay tuned, because what's coming next might just redefine what a pocket-sized powerhouse can do. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Sony RX1R III continues Sony's legacy of packing a full-frame sensor into a compact body, but this time it's powered by a new 61-megapixel XMR CMOS sensor, paired with the Bionz XR processor, the same one found in Sony's top-tier Alpha series. That means faster readout speeds, improved low-light performance, and richer color depth than ever before. Sony also introduced a dedicated AI processing unit to enhance autofocus tracking and scene recognition, a huge leap for a compact camera. When it comes to build and design, Sony has kept the familiar premium magnesium alloy body, solid, weather-sealed, and built for durability. But the ergonomics have been refined. The grip is slightly deeper, offering better stability for one-handed shooting, while the control dials have been retextured for improved tactile feedback. The lens remains a fixed 35mm f/2 Zeiss Sonnar T*, a decision purists will love, as it's one of the sharpest and most characterful lenses Sony has ever produced. This time, it includes a faster, quieter linear motor for smoother autofocus transitions and more precise manual control. Here's a hook: imagine holding a full-frame camera that fits in your jacket pocket, yet captures detail rivaling a Sony A7RV. That's exactly what the RX1R III offers. Every button, dial, and surface feels meticulously crafted, giving you the sense that this camera isn't just built, it's engineered for perfection. Moving to the display, Sony finally listened to user feedback. The RX1R III sports a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen with higher resolution and touch responsiveness, making it easier to navigate menus and review shots. There's also a built-in OLED electronic viewfinder that pops up with improved brightness and 5.76 million dot resolution. Whether you're shooting under harsh sunlight or low light, you'll see incredible detail and color accuracy. Performance-wise, the RX1R III takes things up a notch. The Bionz XR processor delivers faster burst shooting at up to 12 frames per second, with full AF and AE tracking. Autofocus is lightning fast, featuring 759 phase detection points covering nearly 95% of the frame. The AI-driven subject recognition now supports human, animal, bird, and vehicle tracking, adapting instantly to movement and lighting conditions. It's astonishing how easily this compact camera locks on and maintains focus, even in complex environments. One of the most impressive upgrades is the new dynamic range, now pushing beyond 15 stops, ensuring beautifully balanced highlights and shadows. Combine that with Sony's improved noise reduction algorithm, and the RX1R III delivers incredible clarity even at higher ISO levels, making it an ideal choice for street photographers, travelers, and even professionals looking for a lightweight secondary camera. In terms of software and features, Sony has introduced a new menu interface inspired by its Alpha line, offering a cleaner layout and more intuitive navigation. Connectivity is also modernized, with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C 3.2 for faster transfers. You can now seamlessly pair it with your smartphone through the Sony Creators app, allowing instant RAW transfers or remote control with minimal lag. There's even cloud backup integration, meaning your photos can autosync to Sony's secure storage while you shoot. Battery life has also improved, thanks to the NPFZ 100 battery, the same one used in Sony's mirrorless lineup. Expect up to 600 shots per charge, or roughly 90 minutes of 4K video recording. Speaking of video, yes, the RX1R III now supports 6.2K oversampled 4K recording at 60 frames per second, with 10-bit 4:2:2 color and S-Cinetone profiles. It's not primarily a video camera, but the footage you'll get is cinematic, crisp, and full of life. If you're into creative work, this is where the RX1R III shines. The lens and sensor combination produces images with incredible sharpness, creamy bokeh, and stunning depth. Street photographers will appreciate how silent and discreet it is, no lens swapping, no bulky setup, just pure point-and-shoot brilliance. For professionals, it's a dream travel companion, compact enough to go anywhere, powerful enough to deliver gallery-quality results. Now, a quick hook: think about having alpha-grade power in a camera smaller than your smartphone. That's the magic Sony's achieved here. It's almost unreal how this little machine handles demanding creative tasks with such precision. The built-in microphones capture cleaner, directional audio with noise reduction, and there's a 3.5mm mic input and headphone jack for those who want full control over sound. On the connectivity side, the camera supports dual-band Wi-Fi, USB-C PD fast charging, and UHS-2 SD card compatibility, giving you professional-grade speed for transfers and backups. You can even charge and use it simultaneously, making it great for extended shoots. When it comes to price and value, the Sony RX1R III is expected to retail around $3,999, positioning it in the premium compact segment. It's not cheap, but this isn't a casual point-and-shoot. It's a precision tool for photographers who demand full-frame quality in the smallest possible form. Compared to bulkier mirrorless setups, it's lighter, quieter, and infinitely more portable, perfect for those who want uncompromised performance without the weight. Let's be fair, the RX1R III isn't perfect. The fixed lens might limit flexibility for zoom lovers, and it's still not weatherproof enough for extreme conditions. But these are minor trade-offs when you consider what it offers: top-tier image quality, unmatched portability, and professional-grade autofocus in a camera you can fit in your pocket. So, the final verdict? The Sony RX1R III isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. A statement that compact doesn't mean compromise. It's for photographers who chase the perfect shot, who value craftsmanship and image purity above all else. Whether you're shooting street scenes in Tokyo, landscapes in Iceland, or portraits in golden hour light, this camera is built to perform beautifully, effortlessly, and reliably. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you authentic reviews and the latest in cutting-edge tech. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Sony's latest innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more honest, in-depth reviews. The Sony RX1R III proves one thing: sometimes, the smallest camera makes the biggest impact.